I'm alive.
I healed the wrong person.
Well.
Because they ran past you as soon as I clicked on you.
Bitch, I'll let your ass burn with me. Ah, I need to die.
Not yet.
Not. Let me recall. Let me recall, please.
I don't have luck. Oh wait, no.
No, I kind of now want to live.
Oh, shit, boo boo.
Shoot the Buddha.
He knew I was there.
Sorry,
I don't even know what that was supposed to mean.
Lucky little cunt. I wasn't gonna kill one of you. What?
I didn't see the bombs on the floor. So I just ran right into him and died.
What?
Oh, I saved your ass! I saved you! Oh!
You got the last hit, but man, we all landed that shit on her.
The 9th.
Yeah, same.
How is it?
There's on the 9th.
You see this little demonic shit he does before he leaves?
Hmm? Oh, I can't help everyone.
No, they landed where I was positioned. I got the kill, but I still ended up.
Right, dude.
I'm not sure.
Oh, revive one now, out.
I don't know what you said.
I couldn't understand one fucking thing he said. To be completely honest, that's why I was kind of quiet.
Yeah, same here. I was quiet because I had no idea what he
heard
said.
them in a while, or I just really can't understand them.
Oh, I'm dead. I mean, them assist, boys. 1, that's 2, 3, perfect. Yeah, shut up.
Good job. You pinged.
We're gonna die right here. Oh, wow, you're on your own, dude. Oh.
What? No, they're all dead. I mean, we got plenty of time. We have enough to win the game. Move faster, Teambo's coming. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry
5
up.
seconds. I don't care if I die for this. Let's go. Okay, you're silenced. Alright, just win, don't even worry about it.
I'm fine, I got it. The silence was just enough. Woo! That was fun.
That was a good game.
Yeah, it was a good game. Oh man, at this point, I'll sell water on my fucking channel.
Introducing Nestle's Pure Life. Please sponsor me.